Hi guys, it is such a difficult task to speak after two most senior and the visionary people have already spoken to y'all with their experience and what the government wants to do, what the government is doing in this regard. Firstly, I would like to start with a famous quote by Victor Hugo for the startup world, which is said, nothing is more powerful than an idea whose time has come. In very recent times, we have seen the idea of digital payments, the idea of changing India from a cash born society to a less cash society today. The idea was there at the right time. Our Honorable Prime Minister took the call of demonetization at the right time. We had startups doing the right thing at the right time, and today they have been 100 times. They grew by more than 100 times in just couple of months. So I would like to tell you that having your idea, working continuously on it, so none of us knew that this is going to happen, when it is going to happen, what will happen. There was a time I met couple of CEOs from the wallet industry. They used to tell that we are doing India is moving towards cashless. People are getting used to mobiles, transfers and all. But he never knew that they will grow at this scale, what they grew in last couple of months. So believe in your ideas, work on your ideas, and especially at a time when we have a very favorable government with us. Recently, the government this is I think the first government which has started its own incubators for the startups which can come, they can mentor us. And so there are space which is available, I think, in couple of cities. We already have in Maharashtra. I think Mumbai should also be starting soon by the government of Maharashtra itself. Another thing, we all think a lot of taxes. Startup करेंगे तो tax कौन भरेगा, ये कौन करेगा. So another idea that was brought in, or another incentive that was got in, was the 3-year tax relaxation for an idea for a startup. That was a very good thing given to the startup world. I would just like to add couple of more thoughts for the young entrepreneurs, that disappointment in this field will come, but disappointment will bring clarity, and clarity will bring conviction to you. There are no startups which has not gone through a difficult phase. There will be no startup which you will not face disappointment to, but that will bring and clarity to yourself, to the startup, to an idea what you are up to. As rightly said by Shweta ji, entrepreneurs. So today in this world, when we have, over-promising, under-delivering world, everybody, every other man, every other person claims to be an entrepreneur. But who is a real entrepreneur? Real entrepreneur will never claim himself as an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the one who is working late nights, as rightly told by Shweta ji, when others are partying. So if our friends are partying and we are working, it is not that, we should be worried about. It is that you all have the entrepreneur DNA in yourself. Entrepreneurs are the one whose drug is success. You cannot give up without success. Entrepreneur is the one who knows that all through disappointment he will reach success, not immediately but definitely. Entrepreneur will not get disappointed, or will not rule out, or will not be one who will think that disappointments or lame times will bring him down. It is that will give him more power to show his caliber that yes, he can prove himself. Apart from this, my friends, today, this is the right time when the world is looking towards India. It is your ideas, even the small idea we think about should not go without any innovation. Innovation is what we are looking, or the world is looking for at us at. Small innovations. How do you travel? How do you travel from your home to your office? Can you think of innovation there? So there was an idea that we worked upon. We had couple of government agencies. We all were working on an idea, what to do when there are a lot of potholes that we face across in the recent times on the roads in the rainy season. I'm sure you all were the part to it. You all face the same problem. So few people came up with an idea that you can complain to the agencies. How to complain? So some shared an idea that somebody can just click a photo of a pothole and then upload it to some website, and wherein we can send it to the agency, and they can take care of the repairs of the roads and all. But practically, how many of y'all will stop the vehicle, get down, click a photo and upload it to a website or to an app? So while we were thinking, we thought of an idea. I would like to thank Shwetaji for that idea when it came up on the discussion. We thought of an app which is called Smart Roads. This app is integrated with your Google Maps, and what it is a very basic, small, simple idea that will map your potholes as you drive through. So if there is a jerk on your car, on your bike, it will map to the location, and it will map to the exact coordinates of latitudes and longitude and send it to the agencies or to the cloud server, wherein the agencies can work upon. They can know where the pothole is, where the speed breaker is. It could be mapped. So these are small ideas, I think, which we all should work upon. We all must be coming across. We should think new to the existing problems. We all think of entrepreneurship. Now the world is changing. We also have to think of social entrepreneurship. How we can bring the social change. How we can help the public at large with our products, with our ideas and innovation. I would like to leave you with only these few thoughts as of now. I would congratulate you. I am sure you have been here. Your journey has been great as of till now. I would like to wish you all the best for your future. Thank you so much.